Hi everyone. Today I just want to talk about two trades we had on Friday, July 12th. And one of our members, he made $112,000 in trades on Friday. I just want to talk about that trade and basically all his journey and his trades in our chat room. So BIOC was the trade that I alerted in the chat. They had a news. It was around 9:45. I said BIOC shows some good sign. This time is because I am in mountain time, and but it was 9:45 a.m. I said BIOC shows some good signs. Wait for the breakout above morning high, and basically because I knew it would be quick, I said, "Are you guys ready?" It was too quick, and immediately after that, it got halted. It was 9:45. 9:45. I was watching the stock. It was at 785, and you see the volume. It immediately came in. Huge volume, about 300,000 shares traded in 1 minute, and it got halted here for 5 minutes, and it ripped from $7-8 to $11. Those who were in our chat, they were ready because I was telling people BIOC would be a long trade, and it would be quick, and people got in here, and some people after the halt and rode the trend up to $11, and it even went further from 11. Midday it touched $12, so it was $8 to $12. It was around 50% gain. So that was the long trade. And PIXY, this company, they released their guidance for their earning, and yesterday they had some activity, and it went all the way from $2.71 to $3.90, and I was thinking it's a short play, but because the reason for that was it was traded around 19 million shares back in March 9th, and I was thinking, okay, these people, they were underwater and they want to get out. When they see the price is in their entry price at that day, they want to get break even, and they sell and they get out. But when the market opened, all the shorts started to short the stock, and it started to bounce, and it was around here that I said in the chat, PIXY is not short anymore because it's dangerous. These bounces are make it dangerous, and immediately I said it would be let me show you my alert on this. Yes, here is my alert. I got out of BIOC at 10, 12, 20%. It was around 10 a.m. I said PIXY becomes a little bit dangerous, and to short with these bounces. I was still thinking it would be a short play, but at that time I expected to see the short squeeze and squeeze early shorts. As I explained, it seems there were a lot of shorts in it, and guess what? It squeezed people. I was thinking to take short here, but I got stopped out, a little bit lost here, but it went up and it fluctuates and it ripped to 5. At the high of the day it touched 536, and then it started to come back down to test this level and close at 489. So the reason for that, it was here I convinced that it's not a short play anymore, because it was around 10 million, 11 million shares traded here already at noon, and those 19 million shares traded back in the March, they got out, and the rest was basically fresh chart, because people just saw it held above the support, the morning high, pre-market high, and breakout level. So this was a long play, but anyway, we took our profit in BIOC, and one of our members who joined our chat room from day one. Basically, Daily Stock Money chat room. I created this chat room a month and a half ago, and we had a couple of people join early days. One of the talented traders in our chat room, he started to post his alerts and his trades. Early on, he was trading with relatively big account, and he was making around 5,000. This is one of his screenshot. $2,000 per day. Then I realized he has a good plan, but he has a trading system that basically he gets into the trade and gets out of the trade very quick, and he doesn't let the winning trades work for him to make bigger money. So I started to kind of help him to refine his trading system. He had a couple of, I would say, bigger wins. It was once he made $26,000, and then he made $44,000 a day. Playing VSTM, NAKD, CLPS, AETI. And yesterday, he planned his trade on BIOC, long and short, and PIXY, also I guess long and short. But he decided to stick to his plan, and finally it paid off. He had his biggest win ever, $112,000 per day. So a day, I mean. That's his screenshot. As you can see, That was BIOC short, I think. IZEA short, Pixie, he made short and long, but eventually his plan on BIOC, he shorted around 11.30, something like that, uh, and he covered around $7. That's basically that. This is his trade, and as you can see, he alerted all his trade and his thought process in the chat. I asked him to have his own channel in our chat room, and now he puts his alert for other traders in our chat room. And if you want to join our chat room, it's 100% subscription free. We just created this chat room to help other students and traders to basically refine their trading system and find the best trading system that works for them. You can just go to DailyStockMoney.com and go to the join for free. Put your name, your email, which broker are you using, and in the subject just say join. That's it. And I will send you the link to join our chat room. As I said, yeah, this is a free chat room. We are a couple of traders who like to help other traders, and we help you to find your trading system that works for you and find your strength and weaknesses in your trading system, and then you can have this amount of money made in one day. So for I'm so happy for Ed. He's going to buy a new house, and I'm pretty sure he would be a millionaire very soon, because now he understands he has some weaknesses, he has to work on that, and he uses his strengths and make a solid plan, a great position size, and he worked on his patience, and now he is making a lot of money that people make during a year or two. So he just made $112,000 in one day. Congrats to him, and if you like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Go to our Daily Stock Money chat room if you want to just join for free. You don't lose anything. You see some of our alerts every day. You can ask other members what's their experience in our chat room. In our website, you can check our previous alerts, and you can see, for example, GNPX. We alerted that when it was at 580, and the next day it went to 18. IMTE, WTI, NOG, a lot of alerts that I personally think they are safe, and they have potential to create monster gains for our members. We are not like other chat rooms that the guru just alert something and pump some stocks, and all his followers just get into the trade without knowing any reason behind the trade. So take advantage of this opportunity. It won't last forever, I promise you. So join for free today and share this video with your friends, with whoever who wants to become a millionaire and learn how to trade a stock. I think this is the best opportunity you can find out there. So congrats again to Ed, and thank you for his help, and he's very humble trader. He's very talented. All his alerts are on point. He put all his plan before goes to the trade and explain all the details of his trade for other traders in our chat room. Thank you so much, and hopefully he would join Millionaires Club very soon. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See you guys in the chat room very soon. Bye.